What's up, guys? Well, we're over here with the young birds, and as you guys can see, Mr. Bebop there is sitting on a set of eggs. I just kindled these eggs, they're good. Now, Bebop is my only 2023 bird. He paired up with one of the hens that I put in here. These guys laid a set of eggs. So, since he's not going to be on the race team, I'm going to go ahead and let them hatch him. Now, the cool thing, at least to me, is Bebop is a line-bred DeClack / Jansen bird. He's a descendant off of old 019, and just so happens his mate is his 2024 sister. So I've been wanting some more blood out of these birds, so since he's not racing, I'm going to go ahead and let him hatch him. I'll keep you updated. Let's see what happens. These eggs are good. Yeah.